Hello, welcome to another video of modeling ornaments and moldings in Blender. Today I'm going to show you a trick, most apparently how to use images as ornaments in Blender. So let's get started. Open up Blender and wait. Okay, so delete everything, go to the top, add in a image. Okay, so you wanna enable two add-ons here. Go to the edit preferences, and then mobile notifications. Okay, so the first one is image as a plane. This one enable the checkbox, and second one is the node wrangler. This one save changes, close, add in the image as plane, navigate to your image which I have over here. See in the material preview, then you will able to see what I'm talking about. Come on, see this plane. Go to the edit mode, go to subdivide it at least 100 times. Go back to the object mode, go to the modifiers, add in subdividing surface modifier, so not that, add in displacement modifier first, turn off this for now. Okay, so in the displacement modifier, go to textures, add a new texture, go to the radio button, over here select the image, this one, see this, go back to the modifiers, change this to 1 and this to -0.1. Okay, subdividing surface modifier of level 2, smooth shading, hide the image, and now would like to have a texture on it. Go to the shade editor, go to the zeros tab, new material, command shift A, texture, wait a minute, image texture, control T for additional nodes like the UVs and the mapping node. Click the base color, zoom in image, this one, ta-da, we're all done. So the quickest and the hack of modeling ornaments in Blender. Say this, you can always play with these values like the strength and the mid level. The more you can do is to add another subdivision surface modifier. I cannot do this right now because I have a potato PC. And go to the top, face selection, select a face, go to the select linked flat faces, but it'll select these ones. So before you need to apply the displacement modifier first, then you'll be able to do this. Again, select linked and flat faces. Leave these flat faces and all have this. So you can easily apply on any surface, like another another planar surface. You can do this technique on almost all the modelings I'm seeing over here, like this one or this one or this one or this one, maybe this one too. Thanks for watching.